of the most serene and peaceful places in Chicago is the Bahá'í Temple. This temple is located on the shores of Lake Michigan and is surrounded by beautiful gardens. The Bahá'í Temple of Chicago, like the many other Bahá'í temples around the world, is known for its architecture. Its nine-sided structure and majestic white dome on top symbolize many things for those of the Bahá'í faith. Both inside and outside the building is an atmosphere that'll help calm the mind. Though I wouldn't really call this a tourist attraction, it's first and foremost a place of worship. You're free to tour the gardens and explore inside the building as long as it doesn't disrupt the prayer of anybody inside. The drive itself to this Bahá'í temple is particularly relaxing as it's on the side of Lake Michigan and takes you along a scenic route with lots of pretty houses and some of Chicago's finest colleges. The Bahá'í Temple of Chicago also has a small office at the side of the building where you can learn more about the Bahá'í sect and also about their architecture. This place is great if you want to get away from the traffic of the city and explore some of the lesser known places in the northern part of Chicago.